Hi, welcome to Health is Wealth. This is Srikanth signing in from India. Today I am going to speak about how to drink water properly. 90% of USA, UK, European countries and the rest of the world doesn't know how to drink water properly. Every creature on this earth can't sustain without water. Naturally, earth also contains 70% of water, 30% of soil and land. Similarly, human body also contains 70% of fluids. Everyone knows very well drinking water is good for health, but some of us knows that drinking 4 to 5 liters of water good for health, but only few of us knows how to drink this 4 to 5 liters of water every day properly to improve our health. Every religious holy books said the importance of the drinking water in human life. Now I am going to reveal how to drink these 4 to 5 liters of water every day properly. When you wake up in the early morning, take 1 liter warm water. Try to drink it in single shot if possible. Otherwise, split the 1 liter water into 2 to 3 glasses and try to drink in a span of 5 to 10 minutes. Then feel the water movements in your stomach. Go for your restroom. Have your shit. Come back and do whatever works you do naturally, or do any physical activity or physical exercise for 1 more hour. After completion of 1 hour, now you completed 1 liter of water. After completion of 1 hour, take another half liter water and drink it. Why? Because in the meanwhile you had done some exercise or some work, so in the form of sweat and urinal the water went out from your body. So now you completed 1.5 liter water. And before going for your breakfast, at least 45 minutes earlier to your breakfast, take another half liter of water. And at the time of your food, whatever it might be lunch, breakfast, dinner, don't take any water. And I will tell why we should not take water while our food in my another video. And until completion of your food, until for further 45 minutes, don't take any water. After completion of your food, after 45 minutes, take another half liter water in your breakfast. Now you completed 2.5 liters of water. And same procedure has to be continued in your lunch and dinner. So you will be completed in lunchtime, you will completed 3.5 liter water. In your dinner, you complete 4.5 liters water. Before going for bed, take another half liter of water and have your bed. So now you completed 5 liter water properly, which is good for your health. And I said earlier, we should not drink any water while our food. I will explain in my another video. And if you drink water in this proper way, your body which produce toxins will get rid of our body. Almost 60% of toxins which were produced in our body, if you drink every day 4 to 5 liters of water properly, and these toxins will get out of our body, and your lifespan going to be increased for further 10 years, no doubt in that. So, and thank you for viewing, and I will never say that like me, share me, subscribe me, because you all know very well what to do, what not to do. Thank you for viewing. Take care of your wealth, because health is the real wealth. Thank you.